Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make zucchini pasta sauce. First, select 2 medium zucchini, about 8 ounces each, and 1 pound of ripe tomatoes. You'll also need 2 cloves of garlic, fresh basil, and olive oil. Wash and trim the zucchini, then spiralize them into thin noodles. Dice the tomatoes and mince the garlic, setting them aside for later. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and delicious results. Now, let's build the sauce's foundation. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute until aromatic. Stir in the diced tomatoes, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for approximately 10 minutes, allowing flavors to meld and tomatoes to soften. Season with a half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Next, it's time to incorporate our star ingredient. Add the spiralized zucchini noodles directly into the simmering tomato sauce. Toss them gently with tongs for just 2 to 3 minutes. You want the zucchini to be tender crisp, not mushy, so avoid overcooking. The heat from the sauce will perfectly warm the noodles. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh basil leaves and a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese for an extra layer of flavor. Your delicious and healthy zucchini pasta sauce is now ready to enjoy. This versatile dish makes a fantastic light lunch or dinner. For a more substantial meal, consider pairing it with some grilled chicken breast or sautéed shrimp. It's a wonderful way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.